Hey Spartans, got your markers ready? Okay, I'm going to remove black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. And these are the ones we're going to use. Red, orange, green, blue, purple, and brown. Ta-da! Let's start with the red. We're going to fill out this fraction decimal percent chart. That way, I could take those posters down that are in the back of the room. Yay! Okay, first, you already know that a fraction of 1/2 has a decimal of a 0.5. Because 1/2 is the same as 5/10. 5 out of 10 is 1/2. And 2 out of 2, well, that would be 1 whole. Or you could put 1.00. If you want to put the 0 after the 5, that's fine as well. Okay, now yesterday we learned how to make a decimal into a percent. It was Dr. Pepper, D to P. And Dr. Pepper makes me feel all right, all right. So we move the decimal 2 places to the right, puts it after the 0, giving us 50%. Okay, so 2 out of 2 is 1 whole. If I move the decimal, all right, all right. 2 out of 2 is 100%. Ta-da! Okay, let's switch to orange. Okay, come here, orange, orange. There we go. My red kind of looks like orange on the screen, but it's red. Okay, 1/3. Remember, a third is 0.333, and it goes on forever. So when we move this decimal to a percent, all right, that gives us, I'm going to write it diagonal, 33.3 forever hat percent. Oh, I can't even fit it in there. It's so long. Okay. So 2/3 would be 0.6666 forever. I have to put an extra one so it's not the double number. And then when I do all right, that gives me 66.6, one more, 6 forever hat. And I'll put my percent here. I can't fit the percent. Oh my gosh, that looks horrible. Sorry. All right, 3/3. Okay, easy. 3/3 is 1 whole, which would be 100%. Okay, let's go to Gern. Get my Gern color here. Okay, the fourths. The fourths are like quarters, so let's write quarters. Q-U-A-R-T-E-R-S, quarters. And 1/4 would be 25 cents. 2 quarters, 50 cents. 3 quarters, 75 cents. And 4 quarters is a whole dollar. And then move those decimal 2 places to the right, you get 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. All right, next color, blue. All right, come here, blue. There it is. All right, the fifths. The fifths are on your hand. If you were to take 100 and divide it into 5 parts, each part is 20. Okay, so let's see. 1/5 would be 0.20. 2 would be 0.40. 3 would be 0.60. 4 is 0.80. And 5 is 1 whole. 5/5 is 1 whole. So that would give us 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, and 100%. Pause if you need to. Now we're heading to the 8ths. I'm going to go purple. Okay, let me get my camera ready. There we go. Oh, I wish I could write smaller, or I wish this page was bigger. Okay, I'm just going to do the decimals first. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1/8, 0.125. 2/8, 0.250. I'm just going to put 0.25. 3/8, 0.375. 4/8, 0.500. I'm just going to put 0.50. 5/8, 0.625. 6/8, 0.750. I'm just going to put 0.75. 7/8, 0.875. 8/8, 1 whole, which is 100%. I know that one. Okay, now remember, to get from decimal to percent, we move the decimal 2 places to the right. All right. So 1/8 would be 12.5 Kind of had to go at an angle so I could fit. And then I'll just go all of them at an angle. 25%. All right, 37.5%. All right. 50%. 5/8. All right. 62.5%. Fit in there, you. Then we get 75%. And then 87.5%. All right. Okay, pause if you need to. Excuse me. All right, the tenths. The tenths are like dimes. You got 10 cents, which would be 0.1 or 0.10. 2 tenths would be a 0.2 or a 0.20. 0.3. I put the 0 because I know I'm going to have to move the decimal over 2 places, and I'm going to need that 0 when I do a percent. And then 20%, 30%, and so on and so on. All right, so let's finish this out. 0.4, D, 0.5, 0, 0.60, 0.70, 0.80, 0.90, and wait. The last one is not, scoot up, there we go. The last one is not 0.10, because then I'd be right back up at 1/10. It's one whole 1.00. All right, percents are easy. 10, 20, 30, 40%, 50%, 60%, good Lord, 70%, 80%, 90%, and 100%. All right. Will they reduce? Maybe it'll make it easier. What are they talking about? I don't know. Okay, this is hole punched, so, well, it will be. Go ahead and put it in your notes. Keep this forever, and then I can take those posters down. Woohoo! Next up, you have this worksheet, fraction, decimal, percent equivalencies. There are, how many questions? 9 questions. So I want you to work independently on this. I'm sorry, I just saw number 6. The shaded area in each circle represents the amount of pumpkin pie left after Thanksgiving. Write an equivalent fraction, decimal, and a percent that represents the pie that was eaten. So these 2 pieces are what's left over. They want to know how much has been eaten. So you need to find the unshaded. Glad I saw that. Okay, so I'm also going to have this paper available for you to self-check when you finish. So you do those 9 questions, and whatever you have left over, you can take for homework. If you finish early, go ahead and go into the extra practice folder, and I will have some extra fun things for you to play. All right, take care, be good, miss you guys. Listen to your own music if you would like. Have a great day. Bye.